is your savings store, where your dollar buys you more. Kmart is the saving place.
Hey guys, we're in George's truck. We borrowed it. George, the husband of the late Betty Ide. I just wanted you guys to see how much higher up this is than the Sedona. Hear that, all that revving.
Did you cover the bugs in here?
What?
The battery, the Bila.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, yeah, we got the battery for the van, by the way. Hopefully it'll be working nice.
So how much was the Bila?
100.
Okay. I'll send you 50. Stupid bitch Carol didn't send me my money. My money? Oh, you have that on video of me saying that. No blackmailing your mother.
Alright guys, good news. The battery worked. See if it starts good though. Yep. This doesn't sound good though, but that's because it hasn't started in a few days. But yeah, let me roll up the window there. That window's rolled up. And then I gotta roll up that one. Okay, there you go. Yeah, alrighty. All the windows are rolled up now, so I can take all this off. Alright guys, I'm gonna test the alternator. Ooh, that sounds bad. It did not die. Didn't die. Weird.